In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make your own hatch design in AutoCAD. Hatches are fantastic for adding texture, material indications, or visual hierarchy to your drawings, and creating a custom look is easier than you might think. Start by opening your drawing and laying out the geometry you want to hatch. This could be a closed polyline, a shape, or any boundary that defines where the pattern should go. The cleaner your boundary, the better the result, so make sure lines meet, polylines are closed, and there are no tiny gaps. If you're unsure, zoom in and run a quick check for overlaps. Setting your hatch on a dedicated layer with a distinct color can also help with visibility and later edits. Next, type hatch into the command line and press enter. This opens the hatch creation tab and a live preview area so you can see exactly how your pattern will look before you commit. Typing the command is quick, but the interface is what lets you refine everything. Inside the hatch creation tab, choose either the user-defined option or the custom pattern option. User-defined is perfect for simple, clean patterns such as evenly spaced parallel lines where you can control the angle and spacing. Custom lets you select from installed pattern files if you already have a specific style in mind. For today's approach, we'll focus on user-defined so you can dial in a personalized design right inside your drawing. Now, select the objects or boundaries you prepared earlier. You can click inside a closed area or select the boundary object directly. If AutoCAD can't find a boundary, it usually means there's a gap. Cancel, fix the geometry, and try again. As soon as the boundary is recognized, you'll see a preview of the hatch within it. With the hatch preview visible, adjust the scale, angle, and spacing to fine-tune the look. Scale changes the overall density of the pattern, angle rotates it to match your design intent, and spacing sets how tight or open the lines appear. Think about your drawing units here. If the hatch looks too dense or too faint when you zoom out, a quick tweak to scale or spacing will make it read clearly at print size. Aim for a pattern that enhances the drawing without overpowering it. When you're satisfied, press enter or click close hatch creation to apply your custom hatch design. If you need to make changes later, you can select the hatch and adjust its properties without starting over. And that's it. Simple, precise, and ready for use across your project.